If you're tired of being broke, tired of your money disappearing, and tired of feeling like you can't save anything, this video is for you. Today, I'll give you 3 real-life ways to save money fast, even if you think you can't save at all. No complicated math, no crazy discipline, just simple habits you can start today. Most people lose money because of impulse buying. Small things add up: snacks, subscriptions, apps, clothes, and suddenly your wallet is empty. Here's the rule that rich people secretly use. If you want to buy something, wait 24 hours before buying it. Not a week, not a month, just 24 hours. Why does it work? Because 90% of the things you want today, you won't want tomorrow. That small delay stops emotional buying and makes you think clearly. Try this today. You'll be shocked at how much money stays in your pocket. Forget complicated budgets, forget apps and spreadsheets. Use this simple system. You only track 3 things: needs, food, rent, transportation; wants, coffee, snacks, entertainment, clothes; and goals, savings, emergency fund, investments. Every time money comes in, divide it like this: 60% needs, 30% wants, and 10% goals. Even if you earn very little, putting something into the goals section builds a habit. This system works because it's simple. You don't need to write down every single expense, just these 3 groups. And once you follow this for 30 days, your brain automatically starts saving without effort. Pick one weekend every month and make it your money-free weekend. That means no food delivery, no shopping, no unnecessary spending. But what do? Cook at home, go for a walk, watch something free, clean your room, visit a friend, work on a goal. This one habit resets your brain and saves a surprising amount of money every month. Do it once and you'll feel the difference. Do it every month and your savings will grow faster than you expect. Saving money is not about being rich. It's about taking control of your life. Start with these 3 today. 1. 24-hour rule. 2. 3-category budget. 3. Money-free weekend. Small changes create big results. If you start now, your future self will thank you. And if you want more real-life money tips like this, hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey to financial freedom.